How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our magnetic Octo Beacon here. Now, our Octo will use our optional dual memory SIG plug, which I'll be using for example today. So here, I brought an amber color model. So you'll see I have it in a solid flash pattern there, just flashing or pulsing. And then here, I brought a red-blue color model. So I'll go ahead and turn my amber off there, and I have this one in a half-half style flash pattern. And then over here I brought a red clear alternating style color model here, and I have that one in a alternating style flash pattern. Now on all of these units you will have dual memory, which you can use and activate with our optional dual memory SIG plug, or you can cut and hardwire if you would like to as well to your own switches, and you will have two power cables to activate each of your power modes there. So this is our red clear alternating color setup. Now this is on my alternating style flash pattern, so I can easily cycle to my other flash pattern here. And then same thing on my red blue, we had our half-half style flash pattern, but again I do have my dual memory, so I have another flash pattern programmed there. And then here on my amber color model, that one was in the solid flashing style flash pattern, but then I have a alternating style flash pattern programmed in the other power mode there. So we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And if you do need a custom color setup, we do have our customization tool on the product page. So you'll see that this is the perfect option if you need a simple magnetic mount Octo Beacon. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.